Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss regarding CMOS schematic circuits. CMOS schematic circuits are used to design VLSI, logic circuits, say digital circuits, and here we are designing CMOS circuit, so we require both PMOS and NMOS in the design, where PMOS is used to design the pull up part of the circuit and NMOS is used to design the pull down part of the circuit. So at the same time, the very first example we will take here is NOR gate, which is y is equal to a plus b whole bar. So before going to the NOR gate, let us understand a simple rule which is NOP. So what is this NOP? N stands for NMOS and O stands for OR operation and P stands for parallel. This is a simple rule or the mantra I am going to follow in the complete procedure. If I am having an OR operation in NMOS transistor, then I should place the transistors in parallel. That is the only rule. Okay, I'll repeat it. So if I have OR operation, in NMOS transistors, I'll place the NMOS transistors in parallel. That is what the simple rule is. Let me go to the main part. That is the circuit part. In the circuit part, I'll take the NOR equation, that is y is equal to a plus b whole bar. So always remember the output will be complement of the result. So y is equal to a plus b whole bar. That is what we will get. How many inputs are there here? We are having two inputs, A and the other one is B. We are having two inputs, A and B. So I'll take two NMOS, 1 and 2, and two PMOS, 1 and 2. So I'll take two NMOS and two PMOS. Totally, I'll be resulting with 4 transistors to design the circuit. So let me go to the next step. In this connecting part, I have labeled the very first transistor as A transistor and the second one as B transistor. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, our mantra is NOP. That is, when I take NMOS transistor, these are the NMOS transistor, I should place them in parallel if I have OR operation. As you can see, NOR gate is A plus B whole bar. So I have to place these two in parallel to each other. So I'll take the connecting wire, connect them in parallel to each other, and the connection is done. So it's the parallel connection. Okay. So in the next step, I need to connect PMOS, that is pull up circuit. So this circuit is a pull down circuit which I made out of NMOS. At the same time, I'll start doing pull up circuit. For the pull up circuit, I need two transistor again because I am having two inputs, A and B. So A and B, and because PMOS and NMOS, so PMOS and NMOS are complementary to each other, I will place the PMOS transistors in series. Because I am having AB in parallel, here I am going to place AB in series. So if that is the case, A and here is B circuit. So these two transistors are now placed in series. I'll take the connecting wire and place them, connect them properly. Okay. So we know that pull up transistor always will be at the top and pull down transistor will be at the bottom. So here you will be having pull up circuit or pull up logic. At the same time, the pull down logic will be below like this, and this two will be connected in series. This two will be connected in series. So here is your series connection, and for this at the top you will be giving the VDD connection. At the bottom you will be connecting the VSS connection. So in between this pull up and pull down we take the output Y. Here we are going to take the output Y. So this is how the connection should be. So we will follow the same thing here. So let me remove this A plus B and copy the whole thing and place it one above the other. So this part of the circuit belongs to pull up logic, whereas this part of the circuit is the pull down logic. So this is the pull down logic. So we will be having the common inputs here. We'll be having common input. So here whatever the input you give, the same common inputs you are going to give for the next case. Now let me complete the circuit. To complete this circuit, we require VDD and VSS connections. So I'll place the VDD connection at the top and place the VSS connection at the bottom. Finally, the output is taken between the pull up logic and pull down logic, which is Y. So this is the schematic for NOR gate. This is schematic for NOR gate using CMOS logic. If you have any doubts, comment below. Please like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.